We're going to talk you through how to use the controls on this e-bike. You'll see the screen here and there's a control panel on the left. The screen shows you various things. You have a battery indicator, just much like on a mobile phone, which shows you how much charge is in the battery. At the moment this one's almost full, and as the battery decreases the indicator will empty. You've also got a speedometer here. At the moment the bike's not moving, which is why it says 0, and here it says off. And you can ride an e-bike in the off position, it just means the battery's not giving you any help. If you were riding and wanted to turn the battery on, then all you would do is use your left hand to press the plus on the controller at the left here. So you'll see what that did was moved it from off to eco, and if I continue to press the plus, it goes to tour, sport and turbo. So each mode gives you a little bit more assist when you're cycling the bike. The higher up it goes, then the less distance you'll be able to ride because the batteries use more power to help you. What we normally suggest is, if it's the first time using an e-bike, to start with it in the off position. When you're riding along and you feel quite comfortable, just try pressing the plus, and what you should feel is just the weight coming off the pedals. The bike shouldn't propel away from you, and it will only help you whilst you're pedalling. So you'll notice if you stop pedalling that the battery will also stop helping you until you start pedalling again. The other information on the screen can be changed using either the I button here or on the control panel, and at the moment it says max speed. You also can see average speed, trip time, range and your odometer. So if I go back to range, so this tells you how many miles you can ride at the current battery level. So at the moment, if you were to cycle on eco, you would have 68 miles. You'll notice as I press up through the modes, that goes down because it's using more power in those modes.